American Bitcoin, the Trump-backed company that could change money forever. Imagine a future where your bank account is no longer controlled by banks. A future where your savings are stored not in dollars, but in Bitcoin. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. And leading the charge is a brand new company called American Bitcoin Corp, a company that could redefine money as we know it. Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Felix. Today, we're diving into what this company is, why it's already making waves, and how it could change your financial future. Stay tuned, because this isn't just about Bitcoin, it's about power, politics, and the future of the global economy. What is American Bitcoin? American Bitcoin Corp is more than just another crypto company. It's a Bitcoin mining and treasury management giant, majority owned by Hut 8 Mining, one of Canada's largest Bitcoin miners. Headquarters, Miami, Florida. Incorporated, Delaware. Mission, to mine Bitcoin on US soil and manage Bitcoin like a national treasure. But here's where it gets explosive, the Trump family name is linked to it. Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. are listed as founders. That means politics and Bitcoin are now officially colliding. Why this matters? For years, Bitcoin has been treated like a rebellion against the system. A decentralized weapon against banks, governments, and Wall Street. Now, we're seeing something new, Bitcoin merging with mainstream power. A US corporation. Trump family involvement. Backing from a Canadian mining powerhouse. This isn't just about Bitcoin anymore. This is about the United States entering the Bitcoin arms race. The bigger picture, the Bitcoin revolution. Here's what makes American Bitcoin Corp different from the 100 other mining companies out there. 1. Treasury management. They're not just mining Bitcoin, they're managing it as if it were gold reserves. Think of it as a private Federal Reserve for Bitcoin. 2. Political power. With Trump family links, this isn't just business. It's about influence, policy, and potentially steering the future of US crypto regulation. 3. Global energy play. Mining Bitcoin requires massive amounts of energy. By strategically placing mining facilities in the US, they're locking in American dominance in digital energy money. What could this mean for you? Here's where things get really interesting. If American Bitcoin succeeds, we could see Bitcoin finally break into the mainstream, used by governments, corporations, and maybe even your everyday paycheck. If they fail, Bitcoin could remain the Wild West of money, leaving other nations like China and Russia to dominate the digital currency race. But one thing is clear, companies like American Bitcoin are laying the foundation for Bitcoin to replace or rival the US dollar. The future. So what's next? March 2025 launch, expect headlines, political debates, and massive media attention. Global shift in money. As the US embraces Bitcoin, banks, credit cards, and even the Federal Reserve will have to adapt. The American Dream 2.0, instead of Wall Street, the new financial empire could be built on Bitcoin mining rigs in warehouses across America. Conclusion. American Bitcoin Corp isn't just another startup. It's a symbol of the new financial battlefield. On one side, governments and banks trying to control money. On the other, Bitcoin, borderless, decentralized, and unstoppable. And now, with Trump family ties and Hut 8's mining power, American Bitcoin is positioning itself right in the middle of that fight. The question is, will they change money forever, or will the system fight back harder than ever before? What do you think? Will Bitcoin replace the dollar, or will it be crushed before it gets the chance? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because this is just the beginning of the Bitcoin revolution. This is Felix. See you next time.